Okay, hi friends. Okay, welcome to Barukbros Worldwide Auto Export Association. Today I will show you the super luxury sedan, a very nice one. Okay, just sitting in this car. So this is my first time. As you check it here, Rolls-Royce Wraith Black Badge, 2020. The mileage 25,900 kilometer. This is super luxury sedan, Rolls-Royce. Okay, let's check it out. I wonder how it is look like. I only saw this car from TV. But today, as a real car, I will check and I will sit in the car. I hope that you're gonna order this one. Okay, don't miss it. Don't miss the opportunity that I'm making a review for you. Okay, to have this one. Okay, thank you. Please follow me. Okay, let's check the exterior first. Okay, Rolls-Royce Wraith Black Badge. It's 2 doors. It's black. Do you like this? Okay. Nice badge, right? Rolls-Royce. Okay, let's check. Okay, nice one, right? Those super talents, super actors and actresses, very famous businessmen. Those people are actually riding this car, right? The rim, very good, right? The tires, the tread is still very good, right? Okay, this luxury sedan is waiting for you. Okay, nice, right? Rolls-Royce, very good, right? This one cash base, so it's easier for you to buy, right? Some expensive cars, there is installment. Somehow we have to pay the penalty if you do not like to have installment program. But this one, no need. Just you pay the cash and we'll buy this one. Okay, nice one, right? Another rim, good. The tire also very good, right? Anyway, the exterior in general, very good, right? Very fine. Nice one, right? Okay. The rim also again very good, right? Very nice. Yes. Wow, good, right? It's real good. Very nice. Okay. Okay, now let me go in. Actually, this one has only 2 doors. Okay, it opens like this. Okay, it's very special, right? The way we open the door is quite unique or different from ordinary car, right? Let's check the seat. Seats are very good. It's with the purple color, the front seat and the back seat. Okay, it's 2 doors. It's for the inside. Okay, let me sit in. Okay. Wait. Okay, how is it? Wow. It seems that I become an actor or a successful businessman. Let's check the center fascia of the car. Okay, nice, right? You see it? Okay. Nice one. Let's check it out. Okay. The back seat. Like this, right? Okay. It's really good. Okay, let me turn on. Okay, wow, the engine sound, it seems it's magnificent. Wow, it's wonderful, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, I open the door. Is the the ceiling is universe, so it's universe style. So when you check inside, it seems like that we are seeing the universe. It's very unique, right? This option is universe, right? Wow, it's like the stars are twinkling, right? It's real stars, right? I think this is very wonderful decoration. Can you see it? How many stars? Can you count it? Wow, it's wonderful, right? The engine sound is very nice, right? This wheels up, back option, navigation. There are many buttons that I do not know, right? But we can check it out. Heating seat, right? And then there are some modes and air condition, the media, com, menu, map, navigation, right? Okay, so what else you want to see, right? Because very nice, right? Okay, I think this might be enough, right? Anyway, I think the condition is like a new car, okay? So no worry. Then I cannot drive right now, but as it is, I think the condition of this car would be very, very nice, okay? So let's call it a day. Okay, how it is? Okay, I am sitting on a Rolls-Royce. It's really great, great car. So everything is very luxury, right? It seems that I became luxury too. Anyway, thank you for watching this car review, Rolls-Royce Black Badge, and then I'll be back with another car review. And then I hope that you wanna order this one. Okay, just contact Barukbros, our sales agent. Hope to see you again. Bye. Thank you.